HTML frames. Using frames in a web page. With frames, you can display more than one HTML document in the same browser window. Each frame can load and display separate HTML documents and is independent of the others. A collection of frames in the browser window is known as a frame set. Frames were considered obsolete in HTML5 for the reason that their use has some disadvantages. Disadvantages of using frames. There are some disadvantages to using frames like usability challenges. The screen of mobile devices and tablets with small displays is not big enough to be divided up. Accessibility challenges. Sometimes your page will be displayed differently on different computers due to different screen resolution. There are still some old browsers that do not support frame technology. Creating frames. Frames are defined by the tag frameset. This tag defines how to divide the window into frames. Each frame is indicated by frame tag and it defines which HTML document shall open into the frame. The frame tag defines a single frame within a frame set. The rows and columns attributes. We can set the rows and columns attributes for frame set to define layout. The rows attribute of frameset tag defines horizontal frames and columns attribute defines vertical frames. Columns and rows of frames can both appear on the same web page by nesting one frameset inside of another. In the following example, first we created 4 different HTML documents, then we created a frame set and then nest a child frame set within the parent element. So, we could nest 3 columns within a set of 2 rows. The frame tag attributes. The important attributes of the frame tag are as follows. src attribute is used to give the file name that should be loaded in the frame. Name attribute allows you to give a name to a frame. Margin width, margin height attribute allows you to specify the width of the space between the left and right, the top and bottom of the frame's borders and the frame's content. No resize attribute prevents a user from being able to resize the frame. Scrolling attribute controls the appearance of the scroll bars that appear on the frame.